Okay guys, welcome back again. I'm Danny Graphics. In this video I want to show us how to remove an image background. So I'm really on my Chrome browser, so let me just show you what we're going to type. So you're going to type bg remove. Just type something like this, then you go. So there's a lot of websites you can remove image background, but I would recommend you to use just these three. I want you to use this laser remover.ai and photoroom.com. So if you pick any of these sites, you can remove your background from there. So I'm going to be picking laser, but you can use remover.ai, which I dropped in the group. I dropped the link in the group recently. So when you're in this website, first thing you see is this interface. Upload your image, the image of the background you want to remove. So you upload it. So you are going to upload. You click on the upload image. So you choose the image background you want to remove. So let me wait. Okay, I want to remove this background. So it has a white background. So okay, as you can see, my background has been removed. So you can see before with the background and after without the background. Then you can download the image to your phone, then you can go and use it for your project. So that is how you can remove. Let's open it, so you will see that the background is now be dark because there is no background. See, as you can see, the background has been removed. So whenever you want to do it on any project, you see that there will be no background because you already removed the background. So this is how you can remove the background of any image.